Hello, this is student of Standard 3. Good morning. I hope you all are well in this pandemic coronavirus. Please stay home, stay safe. Spend your quality time with your family member. You can give your quality time in your study also. I hope whatever homework I am giving you in maths and science, you are doing it on time because whenever school is going to open, I am going to ask all the homework which I am giving you. So please be sincere and do all the homework on time. So today I am going to teach you science chapter 13, this new chapter. So whenever you are going to watch my video, please keep book and copy with you. Page number 137. Chapter name is the sun, moon and stars. Okay, so this is your chapter name, the sun, moon and stars. So see, these sun, moon, stars. Before starting that, we will go for solar system because the sun and all the body that move around the sun together form the solar system. The sun and all the bodies that move around the sun together to form a solar system. If you take any planets, if there is eight planets are there. That 8 planets, including our Earth, also that revolves around the sun, and this makes up the solar system. Okay, so first is solar system. So the sun and all the bodies that move around the sun together form the solar system, because all the planets they move around the sun. So first we'll see sun. So the sun is a star. The sun is a star, and it is made of a very hot gases. It gives us light and heat. The sun, it is a burning star. You can say it is a star. Okay, and it is made of hot gases. Okay, and it gives us light and heat. Okay, it gives out light and heat. It is a burning star. When you will see sun, it is like a hot, made of hot gases, and it gives out light and heat. Now we move to planets. So now I told you that whatever the all planets are there, that moves around the sun. If sun is here, okay, sun. So 8 planets are there. So for them I have to make 8 orbit. First orbit, second, third, fourth, 5. Okay, in this only I will try to make more. 5, 6, 7, and one more, 8. So there are 8 planets that all 8 planets move around the sun in a fixed orbit, in a fixed path, that is called orbit. So planets move around the sun in fixed path, that is called orbit. This is known as orbit. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whatever these 8s are there, this is known as orbit. Okay. Now I am just writing here the planets moves around the sun in a fixed path called orbits. Okay. So planets do not have their own light and reflect the light of the sun. Yes, planets do not have, like moon also do not have their own light. Moon also reflect the light of the sun. So that I am writing here that we are talking about planets. So planets do not have their own light. Okay, it reflects the light of the sun. Now there are total of 8 planets which move around the sun. So the 8 planets are in the sequence. So first planet is Mercury, Mercure. So this first planet is Mercury. Second planet is Venus. Third planet is our Earth. So this is third planet, Earth. Fourth planet is Mars. Fifth planet is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet also. Sixth is Saturn. Seven is Uranus. And the last one is Neptune. So this is in the fixed orbit. Mercury first, Venus second, Earth third, Mars fourth, Jupiter 5, 6 Saturn, 7 Uranus and 8 Neptune. So there are total of 8 planets in our solar system, and the sun and its 8 planets together form the solar system. Okay, the sun, and I have written already on the top, you can see the sun and its 8 planets together makes up the solar system. Now each planet moves around the sun in its own orbit. It means, see, if first orbit is Mercury and second orbit is Venus, so you don't think that this Venus will come in first orbit and Mercury will come in second orbit. No, all planets will move around the sun in its own orbit. They will not change their angle. If Mercury is this, then Venus will not come in the place of Mercury. Earth will not come. They have their fixed orbit, and in that fixed orbit they will move around the sun in their fixed and own orbit. They will not change their orbit. Okay, first Mercury, then they will move like that. So now we move to next topic, that is moon. So sun we have seen the sun. Now we'll move to the now moon. So the moon, the earth moves around the sun in a similar way. The moon moves around the earth. See, not earth, all the planets move around the sun, but the moon moves around the earth. This moon, all planets have their own moon. Like earth has only one moon. Maybe Jupiter has more than 100 moon. Saturn has more than 1000 moon. Okay, so all planets have their own moon, and that moon moves around that planet. So we can say the moon moves around the earth. Okay, and all the planets have their own moon. Some moon has one moon, some planets have one moon, some planets have two moon. Okay, and the moon is our nearest neighbor in the sky. Okay, the moon is our nearest neighbor in the sky. Means moon is very closer to the surface of the earth. So the moon is a satellite of the earth. Okay, so the moon is a satellite of the earth. Okay, it is known as the satellite of the earth also. So now whatever the next topic is there.